Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. I know everything is just mental in the world. Obviously we're back in lockdown now, so I hope you're all really well. You can always drop me a message and I am here to chat if you need to. So in today's video I am actually sharing with you some Aldi skincare and then just a couple of other bits that I've been buying as well. So I did an online order for Aldi. You can honestly get some amazing things if you go through the special buys online, and yeah, the delivery is like £3.99 I think. And yeah, you can get them obviously without having to go out the house. I am so pleased with what I got. I am not somebody that spends a lot on skincare. If I can find a dupe and something that is much more of a bargain, then I'm happy. And I honestly cannot fault Aldi skincare, Aldi products in general. For me personally, I don't think you need to spend the big prices of some of the products that are out there. And the ones that I bought, I honestly, like, my skin has never been better. And that's a lot for me to say that because my skin is not the best. Like, I get a lot of breakout, it's really dry, uneven, and I do think that it is, after a week of using these products, I do think it is looking a lot better than it has in a long time. But anyway, I shall jump straight into the video and I'll just show you everything that I bought in my Aldi skincare haul. So one of the first things that I spotted on the website was this hot cloth cleanser gift set. Honestly, I mean, I'm going to say this about all the products because I genuinely am so pleased that I have tried out Aldi skincare and I am obsessed with this. Love it. I've tried them all out and I love them. I think they are such good cleansers. So in here you get the original hot cloth cleanser. I'm not sure which is my favourite yet, but I'm a big fan of that one. The rose hot cloth cleanser, the pink clay one, and the vitamin C one for conditioning your skin, this one to purify, this one to clarify, and this one to refresh, which, you know, what more could you want? And you also get a muslin cloth. It actually is really stiff. It could do with going in the wash to soften up a bit. I haven't used the muslin cloth that it comes with just yet because I've been using my LumiSpa. I have mentioned this before in another video. This is a good investment. Well, it was a good investment for me. I can't remember the price of them exactly, but I will link them below. These are really good for taking your makeup off. It's obviously a skincare device which has a timer on it. It's really gentle on the skin, takes all your makeup off. It has like a 2-minute timer on it to cleanse your skin. I'll link that below if you're interested in checking it out because it is a good product. These were £5.99, which I think is a really good price because obviously you're getting the 4 different cleansers in there. They are cruelty free, which is obviously great, and they are good for all skin types. The next product, again, I'm obsessed with this, is this Healthy Glow Plumping Serum. So this has added chamomile and acacia flower collagen, which calms the skin, and it does what it says on the tin. To be honest, it gives you a healthy glow. So you can either put 2 to 3 drops on your skin after your normal skincare, or you can add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer. I have actually put some on this morning after my skincare and it gives such a nice glow. Some serums I find leave your skin feeling really greasy and all your makeup slides off, but this just doesn't have that at all. This is how it looks, and then you've got your little pipette obviously inside, and it smells amazing and it leaves my skin feeling really soft and it feels really hydrated. And I need to try and stock up on this to see whether I can get some more. They did offer a 2-pack on the website. I just got the one, wished I got the 2-pack. And I do think this is an absolute bargain at £3.99. I'm hoping it lasts a while because you're obviously only using a couple of drops. But yeah, another really amazing product, especially for the price. Like, what a bargain. This next product is something that I've heard about quite a lot. This is supposed to be an absolute dupe for, I think it's called La Prairie Anti-Aging Day Cream, which is around £200. I don't think I would ever be fortunate enough to spend £200 on a face cream, and this is apparently an absolute dupe for it, and this one is only £6.99. This is the Caviar Illuminating Day Cream. You can also get a night cream. I have really dry skin. Like, as soon as it touches water, it's dry. So moisturizer is like an absolute must for me every day. This is amazing. Like, I can completely understand the rave reviews about it. It is so thick and it feels really expensive, and then at the same time it's not greasy at all, and it feels really light on your skin even though the cream is so rich feeling, and it's also anti-aging, so it's going to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles. So like I say, they do a night cream as well, but it is just the most thick, luxurious moisturizer, and it smells lovely. I feel like I've found my moisturizer now that I will not change from. I think it is a great product. So I know that these are the absolute must-have tool for everybody at the minute. I have heard so many things about face rollers, really wanted to get one. A lot were really expensive, and then I spotted this obviously when I was doing my little online shopping, and this was $6.99, and it is a jade roller. And if you're not sure what these are and you haven't seen them, they help to reduce the look of puffiness. They make your makeup go on a lot better. They are ideal for using with your moisturizer, face mask, your serum. You just roll it over the skin. This is how it looks. So far I've only used it once, but definitely a big fan. Looking forward to seeing the results with this. If this smooths out any of my fine lines and wrinkles, I am going to be over the moon. This one, like I say, was $6.99, and it looks so pretty. And then lastly, of the Aldi products, I have got a couple of other bits actually that I've been buying that I thought I would just show in this video. But lastly, I bought this hand soap. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Jo Malone hand soaps that you can get that are around £30, I think, £32 or something like that. Again, not something I have ever had the privilege of trying. I've never owned a Jo Malone anything, but I know it is supposed to be amazing, and I'm sure that maybe this isn't quite on par with that, but this only costs £2.49, and I think it just looks really nice in the bathroom. I think it has got that really high-end look, and it smells amazing. I got it in the number 3 scent, the pomegranate, and it is actually a body wash as well, which I didn't realise, but I love it. I think it looks great. I think if you know, didn't look at it in too much detail, you might think that it was a Jo Malone one. I think that, you know, the packaging obviously does vary slightly, but I do think this looks a lot more expensive than £2.49, and it is obviously, it's a nice thing to have in your bathroom. It looks high-end, so that's the closest I'm probably ever going to get to a Jo Malone hand wash. So I also bought a few bits from ASOS, and this is a product that I have been loving for a long time now. I have mentioned it before. I'm really big fan of these L'Oreal face cleansers. So this is the Pure Clay Purity Wash. I find this really great for my skin. I think it is a good price as well and lasts for ages. So it's $5.99. For me, it doesn't dry the skin out. It is great for, you know, congested skin as well. I use it again with my Lumi Spa, and yeah, just another great product. I'm a huge fan of Makeup Revolution. I think it is, again, really affordable, and I got myself a face mask. I got this honey and oatmeal face mask. I've used this and I love it. Really made my skin feel super soft. For me, anything with honey in it and oatmeal is just an absolute must. You can use it 1 to 2 times a week and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I left mine on for ages actually, and my skin felt really hydrated and soft after this. So I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a moisturising affordable face mask. This was £8 and I'm pretty sure it's going to last a long time. It smells gorgeous as well. This is how it looks in the little pot. Honestly, it smells incredible, really thick, really moisturising. So yeah, £8 for this Makeup Revolution face mask, which I will link below if you're interested in having a look at that. And then lastly, I got this Sunday Rain Bubble Bar. Sunday Rain is another brilliant company, gorgeous products that they do. I've only ever bought them from ASOS. I don't know where else sells them, but love their bubble bars and their bath slabs. Really lovely product. I'm excited to try this. I got this mango and coconut. I love anything that are those sorts of scents. Can't stand coconut if you gave me any to eat, but the smell of coconut in beauty products, I am just, oh, love it. So yeah, it's a bubble bar that you crumble under the water and it gives you a nice lovely bubble bath, and I bet this is going to smell amazing because products that I've had from them before always smell incredible. So this product is £6 and I am really looking forward to having having a little pamper night and using this. Like I say, I think it's just really important at the minute to make sure you're looking after yourself, have some me time, do simple things that are just going to make yourself feel a little bit better. Everything's a little bit rubbish at the minute, so I think it's really important just to take some time out for yourself because you deserve it. So there you go, that is all my products to show you. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I just wanted to share them with you just to show you what I am going to be using. And like I say, January for me is a time to look after myself a little bit better, so that is going to be reflected in the videos that I share as well. If you have any video suggestions that you would like to see from me, then please leave them in the comments below. Also, come and follow me on Instagram. My inbox is always open there for a chat, so I would love to see you over there as well. Stay safe, and I shall see you again for my next video. Take care everyone, bye.